we're going to set the phone level, bevel, whatever you got. We're going to zero it in off of the IMU without changing any sort of rotation. We want to come straight out the arm and set it on the motor. It's going to show us deflection between the IMU and the props trying to twist or yaw the aircraft. That's all this is really addressing. But when you get control of the yaw and you take that out of the equation of the flight controller that's constantly trying to fight something that's not straight, everything else seems to fall into place. To do this adjustment, what we're going to do is loosen the top plate bolts. See them all sitting up. Pick up the motor. Should have just enough wire to kind of set it down in there, something like that. You can see where I've been tuning. And basically what's happened is I've gone too far by 0.3 degrees, which is like super minimal, but it's everything to that flight controller. So in order to change the angle of the dingle, I use a sanding block, like car sanding block. So what I do is to set it on there. I know which way I need to change the angle. I'll slightly give it that angle, which is very subtly just coming off a flat, and I give it a couple swipes. I put it back together, remeasure. If I still need more, take it back apart, sand it. 0 degrees on the IMU. Slide out here. Set it on the motor, and we got 0 degrees. So that's the goal. I'm running a lot of dihedral, and all I'm doing is pulling up in the arms real hard, kind of like pushing the center down, and then tightening the bolts. I don't know if you can see it. But I've got them as far up as they'll flex.